Today we are here at North Bend, Washington, and this trail here is called Rattlesnake Ledge. That's Rattlesnake Ledge right over there. Right, today is February 11, 2024. This is our second hike of the year, and once again we are hiking with the kids. Isaiah and Samuel.
I'm tired when you do that.
You're sleeping for the next.
Isaiah, that's where we're going. Way up there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And you can find those are like water, and that is like a hawk or something, and that's a mountain goat.
So Isaiah, we're here at Rattlesnake Ledge. This is a trailhead over there. Over there with the we'll go that way. Do you enjoy hiking?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like the easy hike or the hard hike?
Hard hike.
Yeah. This one is not that hard. How about you, Samuel?
It's fine.
It's fine.
Where's that path?
So this is a trailhead. Oh, it's only 1.9 miles. That's gonna be a good hike. It's early in the morning. The sun is up. Temperature is about in the low 40s. This is about close to 10 o'clock. So let's see how long it'll take us to be up there. Quite busy today. There's a lot of people here. See people just got here. See people already coming down.
Tell me how much there are.
Are you counting the rain?
Leave your mark behind. Good cardio work.
This one doesn't seem like we're going.
That's why it's a good hike.
When I first got it, I don't know, my friend, and
There's a lot of people here today. It's a nice day. A lot of people are out. You see the lake down there?
oh yeah.
We were down there. We were down there, but on that side over there.
I said there are some races, professional races, where there are hike runners.
But he said, I also don't want to die. Yeah. Well, that's the whole thing.
How you doing so far, Samuel?
Good.
Not as tired?
No.
Okay. How about you, Isaiah? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Not too tired? Okay, we're here at the 1 mile marker. So we got another mile to go. Okay, we are going to see the creek. You hear the water? Small little creek. Clean water. What's that?
Could there be crayfish?
I don't know. Check under the water and stuff. I think it's too cold.
Too cold, yeah. Oh, that's too cold.
Okay, you guys ready to go back? Go back to the trail? We're getting close. What is it? Yeah, just right there. Yep, you made it. That's easy. All right, guys, we made it. It's just right there. It's about 50 yards away. Then you right up to the edge. Yeah. Just be careful when you get to the edge there. It's really deep. Samuel, read the sign. Samuel, read the sign. What does it say?
5 more plus the 2 here, so 7.
What's it say?
Caution.
What happened if you don't?
Cliffs.
You go more up or this?
Whoa, look at this. It's a big drop.
I'm not.
I say check this one out.
Then you're going to feel just fine again.
Check this one out. Whoa.
You see a little.
There's no, not so close, buddy. Be careful, not so close.
Be careful, not too close. Go up some more.
Up?
Yeah, some more. Stand up. Yeah, stand up. Yeah, right there. You can just look from there. What do you see?
Snow.
Oh, there's snow?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah, there's some snow down there, huh?
Yeah.
And some over there too.
Go back down.
Go back down. Yeah, there's still some small little amount left.
But this looks like it heals from some.
Gray Jay. Oh, look at Samuel. Go a little bit more over there. Yeah, there you go. And hold it out.
You have to be still. Don't move your hand. I didn't expect to see them here. Need help? Okay.
Do we have like?
We made it to the top of Rattlesnake Ledge. It's a gorgeous day.
It's dark. You can't really see what you're stepping on.
Imagine if we like part of this. be easier. Because I also have
Isaiah, what's the name of that mountain over there?
Mount Sai.
Mount Si.
She's like